Hello, 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 and welcome to Rhonda Said. How are ya? How you doing? I'm doing great. It is a lovely evening here in the KY, the state, not the jelly, and I'm having a great day. I'm getting really close to 1,700 subscribers, so if you subscribe, then you'll be eligible for the big giveaway at 1,700, and we'll have nice things in there like palettes and Pat McGrath stuff and other very nice things and serums and mascaras and all kinds of things. You just don't know what you're going to get. It's because it's going to be a surprise. But please like, comment, subscribe, and ring the bell down below, and I would really appreciate it. Today, is not going to be a very long video, but it's going to be a fun video. And I love FabFitFun. And one of the things I love about FabFitFun, other than it's quarterly, and because I'm annual, I get to customize lots of things, is that they have great sales. And they have editor sales and all kinds of stuff. And I've got a big old box with mystery. It's a mystery box. And I did pick out one item that I purchased. And then I got a mystery box. I got a mystery bag. And the thing I ordered is something that I love so much. I love it so much. Ooh. Oh, Lord. Woo! This is what I ordered. It is a Living Proof Perfect Hair Day Dry Shampoo. And Living Proof things, has super great quality, and this doesn't leave any white cast. And I got it for $12, and full size like this is usually like 20 something bucks. And I love it. And it's my favorite dry shampoo. Next, we've got a bag of mystery things. Look at that box. And there seems to be 4 items in here. 4. And let's see what we have. And the mystery bag is $29. And usually I get some really great things in here. I always have to cut this because they tie it in a bow, but you can never open it. Never easily open it. So let's see what we have. From Summer Rose, it says danger of suffocation. Keep this plastic bag away. Don't use the bag as a toy. It can kill you. Let's see what's in here. And Summer Rose is a brand that they have a lot in FabFitFun. And this, I don't know what this is. Feels like rain jacket material. I'm afraid to open this. What is it? I'm not going to be able to get it back tucked in. What is this? Oh. It's like a shopping bag. It's a shopping tote. And then you've got a little... You put that on the inside of the tote. A little pocket to put your phone. So, there it is, a big tote bag. And I've got 3 of them in 3 different color styles. Same style, but different colors. Black and this houndstooth kind of plaid. So that's cool. Some shopping, some kind. I'll never get this back. I'll never fold it back the way it was. So that's nice, a shopping tote. And that's probably, a good 25 bucks. And then this is from Indy Lee, I Recover Mind and Body Gel. Soothe and revitalize, grounded in nature, supported through science, inspired by life. And this is Meet Your New Gym Buddy. This fast absorbing aromatic gel provides thermogenic comfort for sore and achy muscles. Oh, arnica, black pepper, lavender, and patchouli essence helps promote relaxation. So it's like a soothing gel for your muscles, which is great. And this is a very nice, it feels very luxurious kind of packaging. This is probably another at least 20 bucks. It's got all that good stuff in it. It's a nice size tube, and it's got a little instruction pamphlet with it. So that's cool. So we got some tote bags and some muscle gel, and my back is kind of sore, so I'm gonna try that after this video is done. Then we have, and I love little footy socks. These are happy socks. They're no show socks, and I'm sure you guys all know what that means. They don't really show outside of your tennis shoes. And these are really cute. They've got like a little Kool-Aid looking guy. He looks like a little Kool-Aid guy. He's got little friends, and then there's yellow, mustard and green, and then this has like an eyeball and some other designs on it. So that's nice. The 3-pack of socks, and they feel, oh, they're combed cotton, which I really appreciate. I don't like to have, you know, a lot of polyester or anything in my socks. And then we have from Tula, which is a fantastic brand, skincare Lip SOS Lip Treatment Balm in pink coconut. Very nice. It says Christina Milan. So it's a collab with Christina Milan and Tula. And that sounds like a really nice scent or flavor. And it is a beautiful packaging. It's beautiful packaging. And then you just twist this off and you squeeze the tube, and it's got the nice angled. And I will put that in my purse because I love a lip balm. And this is SOS. So, and it's, everything's written tiny in white on pink, which is very hard to read. And this is probably close to $20 as well. I'd say these socks are probably about $15. So I'm gonna say 20, 15, 20, and these bags I'm gonna say 25. So I didn't count that up as I was saying it. So 20, 15, that's 35. Another 20 is 55. And then the bags I'm gonna say are 25. So that is 60, $80. So this is probably at least $80 worth of stuff that I got for $29. And this is all very usable. And I really am very excited about this arnica gel because arnica is a great natural pain reliever. And I love the smell of patchouli. And that just sounds fantastic. And it's going to soothe and revitalize me, which I definitely need. So I want to thank you so much for being with me here today. I hope you have a fantastic day or day of your choice, and we'll see you real soon. Bye.